What up, guys? It's Bafana Masilela here. I did post the before and after, but I thought like I should create a video so I can explain actually the thought process behind the trade actually that we normally take and how we go about them. So this is a USDJPY. We saw price going up for quite some times when you look at this area. So we'll start with the monthly. What's happening with this? Okay, yeah, we start with the monthly. So if, as you can see, there's like errors being taken out, and this is basically new high from these highs that the price is creating, and we saw price retracing. After a price retracing, now we saw find ourselves into a range. So there's many names behind this. Some call it range bound, but we can see that the price is ranging. But overall, this is what we normally looking at the current moment. We saw price bounce around this area, so this is an area of demand, and price reacted to this. It came back to this area again, even this one, and then it started to go up. So now we have this price range. Out of this price range, we have the middle of it. So there's always two ways in this. It's either the price is working for this or will be working for this one. But as we can see, that price did work this area, even though it wasn't exactly the same number, but around this area. So now we'll be looking at the first target and the second target as this one. From there, we'll see what the price react from that area. Either we're coming back to continue this all at this range, or we break above just to have the continuation going up. So at the moment, we understand what's happening on the monthly, so we need to break it down on weekly and see what's happening with weekly. So with weekly, there's something here. Price broke and it's been going up. We saw a retracement, and then this is what we most likely even this one. So these are the areas actually. Those are the 1, 2, 3 area we'll be looking at. Then we'll go on daily and see what's happening with daily. So with daily, there was something good that happened. Normally this is what other traders will take this as a continuation, a flag, but price didn't do that. It collected more buyers going up, so this is a stop radar. So a lot of stop losses were taken, especially for those who were looking to swing the market all the way up. From this one, I've realized that I think it's time for us to go in where we were looking. This is the area. This was the interesting area. Why this area was so interesting? Because of these 1, 2. We saw how price break this area even here. So there's a lot of things that are happening here. So this shows that it's sort of a strong area. And where are we heading? This is a second target from this first target. So our first target has been hit, but there's still some more position that are not closed, looking at that area. So if the price do validate that area, we're looking for more further upside movement. And when it's come to the harmonics, there's always many rules around these whole things, because some say we have to trade them after they are completed, but there's a way that we can work around with them. So we see in 61, this is the area of buy, and then this is the area of TP. So we're not really focusing on trying to shoot the market down. We're just like trying to see where the market it might go and where it mostly be heading. So now we in this trade, and Okay, and then this is the current situation. So this is the current situation. So probably we might see this C price taking out this low, retracing back, take this high again. No, not this low, sorry. This high, then hit this high, retracing, going more further upside. So that's what we're looking at the current moment. So before you from these, so this is the whole ABCD structure targeting this area. Then we'll be looking at these areas. But we'll see how it goes. But so far the only interest that we are having is only this area where we took our entry. I know it's messy, but let me just remove this thing first. As you can see here, with a nice area for entry. Price bounce, came back again. Then now it's just okay, and we just remove this one. So now price is working out this high. So we'll see how it react. Probably come back or break above. Anyway, guys, hope you learned something. For me, I'm out.